I'm with the NATO team for Samsung, and I'm a business development manager, and our core product we're going to look at today is the Flip. This is our Flip unit. Probably the most impressive unit over all the things that we have is how fast and responsiveness this is, where it will actually see everything almost in real time, with almost no lag and no delay. The key feature is that this is the size of an easel. So when I go to it, I can actually scroll through and go on each pages and write and do whatever I need to do on each page. And if I need to, I can erase what I want. And if I choose to, and I'm writing, and I want to emphasize what my name is, switch sides, and I've got my highlight. You want to change color? I can change color. All I need to do is click on that, and now I can double that. So I've got all these different features that allow me to change it just by going back and forth. No changing up, switching pens. If I want to change the color of how I actually am going to write, I can change my color, all on the fly. Now, when I have that image, what do I want to do with it? I want to be able to save it to my network drive or import another file. I can go to my network file, pull up this one, and it pulls up my own individual file. So I can go in there. If I want to, I can also pull from USB. I can also pull other things from other devices, such as a laptop, such as a mobile. If I choose laptop, I have two different functions. The first one is through HDMI, that's physical hardwired connection, and I have my device on there. I can also choose to import it from a wireless. So I can choose from a variety of different Windows 10 or Windows 8.1 devices that allow me to connect to it. Well, let's say now I want to do something a little bit different. I want to export it out. I have choices. I can connect to email, and it allows me to be able to show how I can take that test to Blackboard document and send it to an email address. So I can click on there and send. Simple as that. So once I've sent something out, let's say for example I want to go and I want to print it out. I want to hit export. I want to hit print dialog button and allow me to be able to connect to any printer that's connected to my print server that's on that network. So I can click over here, hit the print button, and print it out. After that, I have other network choices, such as be able to save that file to a USB stick. Or if I choose to, I can export it out to my network drive. So that same file that I have here, I can save it on here and hit save. Going back to my original page, one thing that I can do is be able to take this and I can sit there and lock that page. Let's say it's confidential. And so I'm going to be able to put a passcode on there, verify it again, and automatically going to save. And now I can start a new role. So at some point later on, if I choose to, I can go in and I can see a whole bunch of different other documents that I had that allow me, that were locked. So for example, I can now keep this and store it. And you can't see it necessarily the full thing, but I've got a locked file, I've got an open file, another locked file, and all these different things. So if I choose to go to my locked file, which was just saved today, I want to click on that one, I can go back to my file, and it opens it back up. And then I can begin my whole entire process for starting how I go through here. If I want to add and make sure that there's some security measures on here, I can make sure that I've got to be able to go to my system, go to advanced settings, and advanced settings.
Is this the phone for the other thing? Okay.
And once I'm in there, then I have the ability to click near a USB, choosing that on, or a network lock, or make sure that it auto-save, so I don't lose any of my important documents. One of the other things that we talked about before was importing. And so right now I want to show you how I can connect to mobile. So when I click on mobile, I go to my phone, and when I see I have a quick connect on my Note 8, I'm able to click on my Flip Display 4. Once I click on that one, it'll come up here, and I have my Note 4. If I choose to, I can expand, and I can show, and I can control my screen. So if I'm watching something on TV, I now have it live on here. And if I choose to, because I want to see it in full screen, if I choose to, I can flip the device. And when I flip my device, I have the ability then to take it full screen. So once I have it full screen, if I want to then go out of it, I click on my little button. It shows me back out of it. But let's say I want to take something, I want to annotate on it. I can take a picture of it. And now I have a picture, I can annotate on it. So here's my picture. And if I need to, I can sit there, point out the prices. And if I want to take that document, I want to save it, I can now export that document to my network drive and save. One of the other ways we talked about was importing it from a different source, such as a laptop. We do have a hardwired connection as well as wireless. Let's show wireless. So this allows me to connect to my Windows 8.1 or 10 PC.